Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Now, I will give you a concept by which we may find experimentally the area of a curved surface of a cone. This is a cone. Here we see that this is cone, and firstly we wish to know the different parts of the cone. Here we see that this cone has a vertex here. If we place this cone like this, we get this is the vertex, and this is the curved surface. This is the curved surface, and this part is a circle. This is a plane surface. This is the base, and from the vertex to the top position we get the height, and this height is called the slant height. By figure we may show this. This is the cone. This is the vertex, and this is the height. H means height, and AB. This is L equal to slant height, and this is the circle. This is base surface, and this part is curved surface. Now experimentally we want to find the area of this curved surface. Before this we have to know the area of the circle. If this is a circle of radius smaller, then area will be pi r square, and perimeter means circumference. Perimeter will be 2 pi r. Now, with the help of these concepts and also with the help of this structure, by experimentally we want to find the area of the curved surface of the cone. If we cut this part, we get this cone as a sector of a circle. If we draw this, we will get a sector of the circle. This side is of length L, and this side is also length L. And what is the length of this arc? This is the arc. This arc is the circle. If the radius of this circle is a small r, then length of this arc means this circle, circumference of this circle, perimeter of this circle will be 2 pi r. if we extend this and if we get a circle, then area of this larger circle will be pi L square. Perimeter of this large circle will be 2 pi L. Let this is arc CD whose length is 2 pi r. Since the circumference is 2 pi L, which gives the area of this circle pi L square, means the entire arc gives the area pi L square. So by proportion we may get that arc CD by circumference equal to area of the sector OCD by area of the circle, implies that this arc CD is 2 pi r and circumference is 2 pi L, and here area of the sector, area of sector OCD by area of the circle is pi L square, implies that area of sector OCD equal to 2 pi r by 2 pi L multiply pi L square. This is equal to pi r L. Since area of the sector, this area is the area of the curved surface of the cone. Therefore, area of the curved surface of cone equal to pi r L, where small r be the radius of the base circle and L be the slant height of the cone. Perhaps you have understood this. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.